Chiang Mai is currently experiencing its second severe flood in just a week, with the Ping River rising to unprecedented levels. Residents and business owners, who had only recently finished cleaning up debris from the previous flood during a few brief days of sunshine, now find themselves grappling with even greater damage as this new deluge overwhelms their recovery efforts. The flooding has severely impacted areas across the eastern part of the old city and various communities on both sides of the Ping River. Record-breaking water levels have surpassed all previous measurements, causing widespread destruction to properties that had barely begun to recover from last week's flooding. This situation underscores the increasing severity of flood events in the region and their profound impact on local communities. In northern Thailand, the floods have forced many residents of Chiang Mai and its outskirts to seek refuge on higher ground, while the animal world faces similar threats. Floodwaters up to 1 meter deep have submerged Karong Prathit and Chongklin roads, along with the Pa Phraw Nok community, since Thursday. Debris and tree branches caught under the Mangray Bridge, near the Ratchawet buildings, have worsened flooding along Karong Prathit Road.
Authorities have closed the road to traffic and dispatched excavators to clear the obstructions blocking the water flow beneath the bridge. Residents on the western side of the Ping River have built sandbag barriers and closely monitored the flood situation throughout the night.
Despite these efforts, low-lying areas indicated by the overflow of the Ping River include Chiang Mai Lamphun Road, Rimping Supermarket, Kavilla Barracks, and the Wat Muang Kai community. Although the Ping River's water level dropped to 0.80 meters as of 5 a.m. on Friday, surrounding communities remain submerged, as the riverbank stands only 0.20 meters high in some places, and rainfall continues unabated. Military personnel and local officials have been deployed to assist with flood relief efforts across northern Thailand, setting up high-pressure water pumps and relocating vehicles to safer areas. Many cars parked on the Chongklin have been secured, though the road remains accessible to larger vehicles, while smaller cars have been advised to steer clear of the area. Several villages in Chiang Mai's Mae Rim district have been submerged by upstream runoff, according to local media reports on Thursday. Evacuations are underway at the Elephant Nature Park, which shelters around 3,000 rescued animals, including 125 elephants, 800 dogs, 2,500 cats, 200 rabbits, and 200 cows. Footage shared online shows several elephants fleeing through rising, muddy waters in search of higher, less flooded ground. Efforts to evacuate more animals have been hampered by the high water levels, with further rainfall expected in the coming days. The head of Thailand's Department of National Parks, Athapul Chansop, stated that dozens of officers have been dispatched, but were unable to reach the park due to the severely flooded roads. He emphasized the urgent need for flat cotton boats and volunteers to assist in evacuating the remaining. The military and volunteers have been mobilized to fortify flood walls with sandbags as water surging from the rising Ping River continues to inundate large parts of central Chiang Mai, including the commercial district on Chongklin Road. At Nowra Bridge, water levels in the Ping River were recorded at 4.45 meters as of 6 a.m. today. The prolonged flooding in Chiang Mai has been attributed to the recent Suic typhoon and a low-pressure system, which have brought widespread heavy rain to the region since last Saturday, according to the local office of the Royal Irrigation Department. The office has warned that water levels in the Ping River may stabilize briefly before rising again due to overflow from the Tong and Ping River basins in Chiang Dao district, where torrential rainfall pounded the area last night.